Sum number 5, tan inverse of square root of 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by x for x not equal to 0. So we have to do some substitution. We just consider 1 plus x square. Already we had seen the substitution that a square plus x square. If it is of this format, then we can substitute let x is equal to a tan theta or x is equal to a cot theta, isn't it? X is equal to a tan theta substitute or x is equal to a cot theta. So according to the question we can use. So இப்போ இங்க tan inverse இருக்கு. So tan inverse cancel ஆகணும்னா tan வரணும். So tan inverse tan cancel ஆயிடும். So அப்போ tan வேணும்னா நம்ம put substitute, just substitute x is equal to a tan theta. That is, if we substitute x is equal to a tan theta only, tan inverse and tan gets cancelled. So let x is equal to a tan theta. That is 1 tan theta. It is nothing but tan theta. From this get the value of theta. Theta is equal to tan inverse of x. So just substitute this value. So this is equal to tan inverse of square root of 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 divided by tan theta. So now what is the value of 1 plus tan square theta? Actually we know that 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but secant square theta. 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. That is secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. From this secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So that is what we can write 1 plus tan square theta as secant square theta. So this is equal to tan inverse of square root of 1 plus tan square theta as secant square theta. So square and root get cancelled, remaining minus 1 divided by tan theta. So this is equal to tan inverse of secant theta minus 1 divided by tan theta. So this is equal to tan inverse of, now we can write secant theta as 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta minus 1 divided by sin theta as, divided by tan theta as sin theta by cos theta. Let me erase this. So this is equal to tan inverse of, let us take the cross multiplication. So we get 1 minus cos theta divided by cos theta, the whole divided by sin theta by cos theta. Now cos theta gets cancelled. So we are left with tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta. Now what is the value of 1 minus cos theta? So 1 minus cos theta we can write it as 2 sin square theta by 2. If it is 1 plus cos theta, then we can write it as 2 cos square theta by 2. So 1 minus cos theta oda formula வந்து 2 sin square theta by 2. இதே 1 plus cos theta na 2 cos square theta by 2 வரும். Plus na cos, minus na இங்க sin வரும். Okay வா? Similarly, we can write sin theta as 2 cos theta by 2 into sin theta by 2. Sin theta is equal to 2 cos theta by 2 into sin theta by 2. So let us apply all this value. So this is equal to tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta as 2 sin square theta by 2 divided by sin theta value as 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So what happens? 2 gets cancelled, 1 sin theta and 1 sin theta gets cancelled, and we are left with tan inverse of sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2. So this is equal to tan inverse of sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2 is nothing but tan theta by 2. So tan and tan inverse gets cancelled. So we are left with theta by 2. Now what is the value of theta? That value of theta is tan inverse of x. So let us substitute the value tan inverse of x divided by 2. So definitely at last we have to substitute the value of theta, because in the beginning we had given substitution. At last we have to give back the substitution. Just நம்ம என்ன substitution நம்ம வாங்கணுமோ அதை திருப்பி கொடுத்துடணும். So theta க்கு இங்கே எக்ஸ் வந்து tan தீட்டான்னு எடுத்தோம், அதுலேருந்து தீட்டாவோட வேல்யூ நம்ம தனியாக கண்டுபிடிச்சி வச்சோம். அட் லாஸ்ட் அந்த தீட்டாவோட வேல்யூ இன் டேர்ம்ஸ் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ்லேயே நம்ம சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணி முடிச்சிட்டோம். ஸோ tan inverse of x divided by 2 is the answer.